welcome to Indrani's kitchen, and I am showing you today our mustard fish curry, which we Bengalis often make at home. I am making it with the carps, big carps. It has big pieces, and if you want, you can make a thin gravy, or you can make it a thick kind of a fish gravy, which you can eat with rice. It depends on how the person likes it. Now the main problem or the main challenge here is to make the mustard paste. Traditionally we make it on the stone, but nowadays we no more use that stone and the griddle, and we no more use stone, so we are using normal mixer grinder. The mustards which we are using are Dijon mustard seeds, which are highly spicy and have a high zing, high flavor, so that we have to blend it in the mixer, and sometimes it turns bitter. So I'll show you how to make the mustard paste also and how to make the fish curry also. Hope you like it. Thank you.